What if I told you that in just 1 month you could not just double but triple your capital without gambling with a proven method? And we did it again with someone making from $300 to $4,000. To prove everything that I'm saying, I'm going to walk through all the trades that I did in the past 30 days so you can understand how not I only double my capital but double or triple the capital of everyone in the investors boardroom, and you will learn from everything, each trade. I will tell you why I went in, when I went out. Hi, by the way, welcome on Handsome Finance, where we study what's happening on chain because the blockchain is an open ledger so we can see all the transactions, who made money, who lost money, follow the smart money, and make even more money. So don't forget to pour down your little water and let's get to it. This wallet I started with 0.29 Ethereum, and today we are around 1 Ethereum, so we probably triple it. The name of this token was just Son, and it refers to the meme, "Are you winning, son?" This one. I bought 0.01 Ethereum and then again 0.01 and sold that for 0.15 Ethereum. So we are not at the 10x, but not far from it. Oh no, sorry. Oh, I'm mistaken. We swapped it again. So we went in with 0.02 Ethereum and we went out with 0.25 Ethereum. So yes, we are more than at the 10x. We are probably at the 12x. Now, why did I enter into this trade? It's because the meme is great. Everything was set up right. When I check a token, I will always check the social elements. For example, this one doesn't have it yet, but we could go on another one, this one Pleb, that have all the social elements. I will check the market cap, of course, what is happening with the holders, if someone is holding more than the rest of it. And I will check if the liquidity pool is locked. I will try to get as many data as possible. If you want, I will release a full course where I explain this in details. But for Son, I was great market cap, low, let's go in, let's do it. Debot was an interesting one because it was a token for a Telegram bot that let you trade on Degen chain. However, they got exploited and someone stole all the treasury, the token went down. And even if I thought that's great, they have a Telegram bot that is working for the Degen chain. It died. I can't even find it. And they relaunched the token under another one, which is pretty much dead as well. So this one was a big loss, we can agree. However, we went 0.01 Ethereum in it, 0.05, so that's 0.06. But still on that day, with Son, we made all the money. This one, Buffer, I don't even remember why I got into. Buffer. Did I even sell it or did it die? Swap buy, swap sell. Wix website that went down. So that was a pretty bad call. But again, those things happen and the goal is to be positive at the end of the day. That's why I do not go with a big amount. As you can see, when I bought my Buffer, I stayed with 0.01 even I was making a lot of money with Son. So sometimes you will do mistake even if most of the indicators are green because you can't guess. They had good posts on Twitter. It could have went up, it went down. I take the loss again. Big loss, Antoine. Let's check on next trade and hopefully we get some back win. We have Luno here. I remember this trade like it was yesterday. It's something you would not often see. Luno, there it is. Let me show you my buy and sell on Luno. I went in with 0.05. Why did I choose to go higher? Because I saw that the liquidity was super high on this project. And I checked their website and I could not fully understand what was going on behind it. I was like, that's strange. But if they have a high liquidity on their launch, they have a lot of money in their pockets. And then I checked who were their followers and they had some quite high profile. We went in at this time. Remember that everyone in the investors boardroom copy me when I do those trades. It crashed and then it was doing nothing for a while, but I keep faith. And then like 20 days later also, it went up crazy. And actually, yes, we could have made more, but I don't care about that. I don't care about making more. I care about making a bank. So that's an 8x on a good amount. On $175, we get out a bit more than $1,000. Hey, yes, that's a big win. I don't know if they do this. Anyway, that's a good win. You win some, you lose some. After that, we get Baxter. I remember Baxter, no need to go in detail. But what happened is that this is the dog used in Anchorman movie. And I was like, that's a great meme. This is a cool dog. But I saw they did a spelling mistake. And I was, for some weird reason, so I went out. We went 0.01, 0.01. And then we went out for 0.02. So nothing made, nothing lost. We're good. Then we got our pleb. Pleb, we went with a higher amount, 0.07. And we went out with 0.1 Ethereum. We still made $100 on that, which is fine. Finn, I can't even remember this one. What was this trade? Finn the Blue Jay. Even Dex Screener doesn't remember. But sometimes it's normal, you know? When you do a lot of volume in dating, it happened to me. The guy come up to me and say, yo, man, like, you fucked my girlfriend. It's like, who it is? I don't know. He gave me the name. I said, I don't know who it is. Dex Screener don't know who it is as well. So we're fair. And then he showed me a picture. I'm like, no, I didn't fuck her. She just sucked my dick. I couldn't last that long. But the guy somehow was still mad. I said, man, you accused me that I fucked her and I didn't. So you should be like, thank you, Antoine. You've been really respectful. Have a good one. What we did on Finn, we have a bluebird. I can, like, look at that. The website is out already. So if you're staying into meme coins for too long, you know you're doing it wrong. But this account doesn't exist. That's a bit stupid because I bought it at 0.026 and it went up to 0.8. And that's the problem. At that time, I did not use based trading, which have automatic take profit and automatic stop loss. If I had that, I would have taken profit automatically. That's what I mean. When the price goes up 100%, I sell automatically 35%. Then when it goes plus 350%, I sell 20%. You get it. A beautiful Baxter is here. That was the trade. Came in, came out. That's it. Are you about to leave this video, huh? You're like, this is too much to learn, Antoine. Well, check it out because sometime I do some quite stupid mistake. Went into pleb 0.07, which is more than what we usually do. Went out for 0.1 ETH. That's what happened. I didn't wait long enough. Look at that. It went parabol. So that's a 10x that was left on the table because I was happy with just a plus 50%. But this is what it is. I'm still happy that I went in this trade and made my plus 50%. It's nice. It's a win. I'm going to go a bit faster and only talks about the one that are pretty much interesting. We got Roost. That was Baby Roost. And Roost is a big token on base at that time. So I thought, okay, that's a better play. And then they got rugged. Easy peasy. 0.02. Gone. And that's why you should not always increase your size. 0.02 SBM and we went out 0.05. Not bad. FOB 0.05 went out 0.08. Not bad. But we're not going to talk about all those detailed trades. Otherwise, you're going to be bored out of your mind. Benjamin, probably some shitty meme. I can tell right by the ticker name. 0.05. We went out 0.08. Still made some money. Blue Cheese was one that I created. Didn't work out. 0.02. I didn't market it. It was more testing period. Still, that's lost. 0.05 for this. I don't know what is that. I don't know what I bought here. Oh, the news. Okay. This token, now I remember, got recommended by someone in the investors boardroom, and it's because the token starts with 0 and finishes the address by dead, which I think was a good idea, but complete rug. Look at that. It was still having some value and then just dropped actually last night. I don't know why, but that's the life we live in. Sometimes you're on a loser streak. Just have to believe in yourself, believe in your charisma, and wait. And that's how it came back with Luno. And on the same day, I swapped 0.05 for some Koi Y. Koi Y broke my heart. Yutsubitsa Koi Y. Bought here, the local bottom, I would say. Then it went back up, down, and it died. Team didn't work. the thing out. When it was a meme for 4chan, that's the character you see on the 404 page on 4chan, which is one of the biggest platforms for memes. Actually, Pepe was mostly popular because it was popular on 4chan. Now that's unfortunately, wow, the level of jokes here, that's a loss as well. As you can see, sometimes it goes loss and after loss. We receive back our Debot, but no one cares about it. And then the last one I bought was some Weirdo at 0.2. How is a Weirdo doing? Oh, beautiful Weirdo. For the next one, I need to zoom in. There we go. We get some Weirdo buying around here. Actually, with the investment fund I bought here, I went with more. I went with 0.1 Ethereum and then we sold here. So that's still pretty good, but then it's continuing to go up, Weirdo. That's actually one of my longer play with my other wallets. Yeah, I have other wallets. Now you know. Yeah, I don't only see you. You know, like if you have an open relationship, you got to be open about it. And why I got into Weirdo is simply because the community is good behind it. They publish good memes. The website is good. But now I decided to start the things again in a bit of a different way. So I went into Blur Elephant. And as you can see, I cope again. Bought here, sold here, made plus 50% in profit. But again, went with a different amount, with a higher amount. And then we're coping at the end. Or on bread as well, where bought here, sold here, and then it went back up. But still made profit on it. So that's what's mattered to me. And Womp Womp, as you know, this is a solid play. Made 10x to 20x on it. Now, I took profit along the way because I trade systematically. And that's why I decided to start with a new wallet. It's going to be an experiment with just $100 that I took from my girlfriend. And I will post this on some social. So I have to adjust my strategy if I was starting with a smaller capital, because now the investment fund is probably more than $3,000. I have to calculate by everything because I changed tools, and I'm pretty happy because everyone in the investors boardroom that have been copying it has been making money. So of course, sometimes I have tricks with it's just not good. It's just not good. 1, 2, 3, 4 trades in a row, it's not good. But then the fifth trade, boom, 20x. And that pays for all the losses and some more. And that's how you have to think about trading your meme coins. You have to always bet more or less the same amount. Unless you triple your capital, like this, you can take back some. Like for example, everyone in the investors boardroom can take back $1,000 or $1,500, which pays for the membership for 1 year, and they will still have all the alpha. They will still have all the wallets to copy trade and all the tools we have in it, and then they can continue with the rest. And that's what it's interesting and beautiful about this fund. And then after with the rest, I will probably take bigger risk because we already make a lot of money. But now I start another wallet with just $100. And hopefully I can push it to $1,000 and then maybe $10,000 and then $100,000. And then let's say to $100 billion, because that's what you see on crypto Twitter, which is completely fake. I know the addresses, completely fake. But if you want to know how this investment fund work, well, you should check out this video because I explain everything, all the process. I hope you enjoy this. For me, it's like looking back and asking me for all the dates, what was good, what was bad, and then you learn from this. So I journal publicly, and maybe you can give me some good insights from it. It was a pleasure. Don't forget one thing before you leave. Stay handsome. Ciao.